Hello everyone, welcome back to VFX Rendering. Ever scrolled past one of those abstract animations that just loops forever, perfectly smooth, and wondered how it was built? It looks messy at first. Most of the time it comes down to a few basic Mograph tools in Cinema 4D. In this video, I'll build a loop like that from scratch, using nothing but a cloner and a step effector. No plugins, no heavy scene. By the end, you'll have a setup you can tweak for your own projects. Let's get into it. We start with a null object. Inside it, drop a capsule with a radius around 20 centimeters and a height around 250 centimeters. Then push its Y position up to 150 centimeters. Next, make a sphere with a 20 centimeter radius. Duplicate the capsule and set its Y position to minus 150 centimeters. Everything stays inside that first null. Now add a cloner to the null. Set the mode to radial, the plane to XY, the radius to 450 centimeters, and the count to about 25. Drop a step effector onto the cloner. Turn off scale. Turn on rotation and set the P rotation to a multiple of 180 degrees. In the Cloner's Transform tab, adjust the P rotation and the whole structure starts to move. This is the base setup that gives us the loop. To get the motion going, keyframe the P rotation value in the Cloner's Transform tab. Then switch the interpolation to linear. Copy that into another cloner with a radius around 1100 centimeters and push the count up to about 70. Add a separate step effector to this new cloner with the P rotation around 900 degrees. Do the same again with one more cloner. Radius around 1800 centimeters, count 100, and give it its own second step effect. Hit play and check the loop you just made. You can also keyframe the rotation inside the step effector to add a bit more visual pull. Play with the values until it feels right. And that's it. We just built an abstract looping animation using only Mograph tools inside Cinema 4D. Tweak the counts and the rotation values, and you'll get endless variations out of this one setup. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe. It really keeps us motivated to share more. We've got a lot more Cinema 4D tutorials on the way, so follow the channel and you won't miss them. See you in the next one.